Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am having a very good hair day and I'm about to tell you why. I'm gonna share with you what I do when I really need my hair to look great, healthy, still full of volume and movement, but just really nourished and conditioned. So I'm gonna share with you all of my little tricks that I do, products that I use. I do want to be like full disclosure here. This is a partnership with Briogeo, and you guys have seen this on my channel before. This is a brand that I really love and believe in. They are 6-free, no sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, artificial colors, DEA. So everything through and through about these products, whether it's these products that I'm gonna share with you today or other products in the range, are free of all 6 of those kind of nastier ingredients. And that's why I love this product so much. When I go and get my hair done, I actually bring this shampoo and conditioner with me, no joke. That's not an exaggeration. That's just actual fact. Like, I love these products to death. I'm also gonna share with you guys a few little tips and tricks for keeping a blowout fresh, for just kind of keeping the health of your hair, and just little things that I do that might be kind of random but are helpful to me, and I hope they will be helpful to you. So the first thing I want to share with you guys before we actually jump into product is I think it is so smart to invest in a wet brush. Now, I will use a wet brush on dry hair as well. I just feel like it doesn't pull or just like ravage my hair the way a traditional hairbrush can, and I don't know if that's just in my head, but I just feel like this detangles my hair so much better than any other brush that I have used. So this is the actual brand, the wet brush. You can pick this up at the drugstore, Target. I try my best to not start at the root and go down. If you have any tangles in your hair, you don't want to like pull the tangle all the way down. You always want to kind of grab the ends and, you know, detangle what's in your hand first and then move upward. And I just find that this does such a beautiful job. Now, you don't want to be raking this through like soaking wet hair. So make sure that you do dry your hair. I do have a towel that I use and swear by just because it does cut down dry time. And I did a Tip Tuesday on this, and it is the Aquas towel, which really you could go on Amazon and order a microfiber towel as well, and that would work fine too. But it really soaks up a lot of the moisture, and that way you're not damaging the hair as much, and that way when you do run a brush through your hair, you're not pulling and breaking very fragile wet hair. I have talked about this before. This is my sister's Holy Grail mask. This is her husband's Holy Grail mask. He actually uses this because he has very coarse hair, and it actually helps to soften it even for men with shorter hair. So this is an incredible mask. It is an Allure Beauty Award winner from 2017. Has the little cute logo right there. Through and through, this is solid. So I am obsessed with this mask. It truly does bring your hair health back to life. I did a Tip Tuesday showing you guys the little shower cap mask thing. I do this maybe once a month, and I have definitely seen a texture improvement in my hair. The mask that you actually get in here to kind of be amplified with the argan oils and the encapsulated technology that's in the sheet mask for your hair. This is the same mask right here. So basically what I'm getting at is that this mask is like the magic of the Briogeo line, in my opinion. I love it. Oh, it smells so good. I actually use this to shave my legs too. It's really just very emollient. It rinses and you actually feel the texture of your hair is repaired. It is wild. I love it. I will not use anything else when it comes to a deep conditioner. So it was very exciting that they recently came out with this right here. This is just like, I love this. This is my new favorite shampoo, and I never in a million years thought that I would love such a moisturizing shampoo, because I'm always that girl that wants volume in my hair. I don't want anything to weigh my hair down, but I do struggle with the ends of my hair from curling it, from styling it. So in the back of my mind, I always kind of feel like volumizing shampoos really dry out my hair a little bit, but when I use traditional moisturizing shampoos, it's just too heavy. Now this is the perfect mix. It's like so moisturizing. It's free, of course, of your sulfates, parabens, silicones, like the whole 6-free thing is true in here as well. There's nothing heavy. Everything in here that repairs your hair actually just repairs your hair. You look and you're like, oh my God, I have less split ends. Everything just looks so moisturized, kind of like what a really great face cream will do to prep you for a really good makeup day, where your skin is just like plump and line free and everything looks balanced and fresh. This is what will happen when you use this shampoo for your hair. And it just feels so nice and soft and fresh, and I love it. I try to turn everyone I can onto this shampoo in my real life. I'm a big believer in it. So it's basically like a regular shampoo and a hair mask had a baby. So it's that nourishing and that rich, but really anybody can use this, whether you have dry, coarse hair or fine hair that's a little dry and needs some extra help as well. So I love this product. It is a big beastie bottle that I have here with a pump. You guys know how much I love a pump. So I want to break down for you guys exactly what my steps are as far as repairing my hair. So step one is in the shower, suds up with this, and it's surprisingly very foamy and lathering, even though it's sulfate free. Sometimes when you use a sulfate free shampoo, you're kind of like, great, it's like I'm putting conditioner on my hair and like, where are the bubbles? Like, you don't feel clean. This will leave you feeling very clean, but also very hydrated, so you are preventing breakage. All right, step two is this mask right here. I don't use this every single time. You can just use this when you feel like you need an extra kind of oomph when it comes to moisturization, hydration in your hair. I will use this, leave it in while I do the rest of my shower and let it kind of soak in, and then rinse it out. If I am really needing a little TLC and I have the time to do it, I will do the mask instead of this guy right here, and that ends up happening maybe once a month, but it really, really gives you like the silkiest hair of your life. Okay, so after that, I hop out of the shower, I make sure all moisture is out of my hair, and then I reach for this right here, which is another new product that is just so incredible. It is a spray-on leave-in mask. So this is just really intense. I used this today and it does not weigh your hair down either. But I want to show you guys the mist on here is perfect. It's like, you know how I discuss what a perfect mist is on a setting spray? That's what this is, but for your hair. It is so great. This leave-in mask right here has aloe, panthenol, biotin. It is supercharged with their technology of argan oil so that it actually can treat and repair the hair. So this one is just like, for me, this is a must-have. Not that I want to pick one over the other, but if you have very damaged ends, this is what you're going to want to spray on them after you shampoo and condition every time. I think this does such a good job at actually changing the texture and repairing your hair. So if you have damaged hair and you're wondering, what can I do to bring the ends back to life that I have colored, that I have overheat styled, all of that, this is going to be your magic bullet. It's going to get the job done, and I swear by this. I do have a discount code for you guys. It will not be around forever, so use it while you can. It will just be my name, Tati, at checkout, and you will get 20% off. If you don't want to order online, you can go to Sephora. They sell these products at Sephora as well. But I can't say enough about it, you guys, and I would not put my big stamp of approval on a product that I didn't think everyone would love as much as I do. The next sexy item that I wish to talk about is this lovely shower cap. I think everyone needs one of these. I just do. It will preserve your hairdo. So I'm all about extending a blowout. I don't like shampooing my hair every single day. Sometimes my hair looks like crap because of it, but whatever. I don't like heat damaging. I don't like over styling. I don't think it's good for it. And so I try when I can to pop a shower cap on so that I preserve my hairdo and the curls stay, and I'm not getting moisture on my hair and I'm not getting water on my hair. And it's just so inexpensive. Go down to your drugstore, buy one of these, you will not regret it. The other thing that I do, now this is like, we're about to get really, really just fashion friendly. These scrunchies might make you think of the 80s, but for me, I keep these in my nightstand. My husband thinks I am crazy. He looks over and he's like, really? Like, you are such a nut job. I heard from a celebrity stylist once upon a time that if you have a nice blowout and you want to extend it, to just take all of your hair and literally put it in a very high pony with a scrunchie. The cloth prevents your hair from being dented when you take it out in the morning, but the other nice thing is when you take it out in the morning, you have so much volume. It's just like, ah. So you kind of look a little crazy going to bed, but whatever, who cares? And you know, they have so many fun different colors, just like go to town. Ulta carries a very nice selection, and I just love these. I think they're great. I think it's a great way to not dent up your hair, and then you can do that little trick. The other thing that I do when I can, because sometimes if I'm being just totally honest, it does drive me insane. But if I'm really trying to be like on it, this is good for your hair and your skin. I use a satin pillowcase. That is also going to prevent breakage. It's not going to kind of allow your hair to like snag and pull. I have one more kind of random thing to share with you guys, and that is this right here that looks kind of like a wine bottle opener. It just, these look funny, but they will hold your hair better than anything else. And I've talked about these before, but I haven't mentioned them in a while. And I just want to show you how easy this is. So I'm gonna take my hair back and I'm gonna grab one of these and I'm just going to, okay, so one of them just held, and then I take the other one, kind of tuck the ends in a little bit. That is like the easiest way to hold your hair up without a rubber band, without 5,000 bobby pins. Like if I put a big bun on top of my head, just 2 of them will hold the whole thing in place. So that is something to take a look at when you are shopping and perusing your local drugstore aisles. A ton of different brands make them and they are so good. All right, those are my favorite little odds and ends as far as keeping my hair healthy and little hair tricks. And then of course, my absolute must-have hair shampoo, conditioner, treatment from Briogeo. I am also going to throw in, you guys, the hair scrub from Briogeo, the charcoal detox. That is also something that I 100% have to use at least once a week. It has really helped my scalp improve. I also like their volumizing shampoo, which smells like Satsuma from the body wash. It's very refreshing. I could go on and on and on about the whole line. So even though they just brought out these new products and that's really what I was focusing on in this video, I just, you know, I hope you guys check out everything they have to offer on their website because it is such a unique brand and I love giving attention to a brand like this and I'm really grateful to partner with them. So I hope you guys give it a look. I will have that discount code, which is just my name, Tati. It'll still be in the description box below though with a link for you guys, so I hope you check it out. I hope you are having a good one, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me. All right, I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.